All right, problem 29 here says the number a is located at negative 2.5 on the number line below. So just from reading that part, we know that a is equal to negative 2.5. So I'm going to write that down. A equals negative 2.5. One of the following number lines shows the location of a squared. Which number line is it? Well, first we need to look at what we know about squaring numbers. So when we square a number, the answer is always positive. So that automatically eliminates some of these choices. If we look at A, they have option A here has a squared at negative 6. So that's not right because we know that a squared is going to be a positive number. Letter B has a squared at negative 5. Again, that's not right because we know a squared is going to be a positive value. So just from that, we've narrowed it down. We know it's not A and it's not B. Now we need to figure out what 2.5 squared actually is. So remember, squaring a number means you're taking that number and you're multiplying it by itself. So 2.5 squared is the same as 2.5 times 2.5. So when you evaluate that, you get that 2.5 squared, or a squared, is equal to 6.25. So now we're going to look at our remaining number lines, and we want to find the one that has a squared just a little bit to the right of 6. So it's not C, it's not D. The correct answer is E. See here, a squared is at 6.25. It's just a little bit more than 6.